Evergreen presents Candid English Conversation Practice for Class 4. Chapter 1. First Day at School Again.
Let's hurry, Leela. I'm dying to meet all our friends.
So am I. But don't walk so fast, Ramesh. I can't keep pace with you.
Sorry, Leela. Anyway, we've reached school.
So we have. Look, Ramesh. There's Sita.
And near her is Ravi, standing and talking to his friends.
Hello, Ravi. And hello, Sita. Sunil, Shobha, Anil, Albert, Fatma, Ahmad, Suresh, and Raju. Did you all have a nice holiday?
Oh yes, my parents and I had a super holiday.
You see,
We'll soon see. Here goes the bell.
Chapter 2. About the Indian States.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, sir.
I'm Sunil Chopra, your class teacher.
Nice having you as a class teacher, sir.
I hope all of you had a nice summer vacation. We shall revise something that you learnt last year. I shall ask you about India.